A North Dakota marital settlement agreement is a document permitting two spouses to settle essential affairs relating to their divorce. For instance, the spouses may determine how their shared property and assets will be dispersed among the dissolution of their marriage. Besides recording all relevant post-divorce arrangements, reaching a settlement outside of the court system can yield a quickened process and fewer costs. Therefore, this video serves to describe a settlement contract and its functions, as well as some unique legal requirements in North Dakota. We're eForms, the world's biggest database of legal documents. Make sure to watch to the end of this video where we'll give you a link to where you can make your own marital settlement agreement online, potentially saving you thousands of dollars during the divorce process. First, let's discuss what is a marital settlement agreement. A formal written agreement includes a calculation of the amount of spousal and child support, records all of the details behind the grounds for the divorce, can avoid a drawn-out trial in district court, allows the couple to divide their joint assets, particularly real and personal property, documents the mutual agreement in writing with all parties' signatures, can be kept as evidence in case any legal disputes arise, and specifies any custody arrangement, whether joint or sole custody. Both spouses can accelerate the proceedings by drafting this document and presenting it in court. Keep in mind that both spouses must consent to the agreement, which is easier said than done. That being said, the couple can reach a mutually beneficial compromise through open and empathetic negotiations. If they do so, they stand to save money that would otherwise be spent on a costly divorce attorney. Moving on, let's review some of the legal requirements in North Dakota. North Dakota is one of the 41 states governed by equitable distribution laws. Equitable distribution is the fair separation of assets, which means that dispersions are not necessarily an equal or 50-50 divide. Instead, the courts take into account factors such as the duration of the marriage, each spouse's expenses, employability of each spouse, the combined assets of each individual spouse, and sources of income and total amount. Again, keep in mind the equitable divide may be avoided by completing a settlement outside of the court system, but still a judge may reject the couple's agreement if he or she deems it unfair to one party or otherwise unjust. In such cases, the judge may ask the spouses to amend the contract or request specific changes to an item in the contract. And finally, there are two more notable legal requirements to fulfill. The spouse filing for divorce, referred to as the plaintiff, must have resided in the state of North Dakota for 6 months, or if that doesn't apply, 6 months preceding the divorce decree. And a grounds or cause for divorce must be cited. Grounds for divorce may vary depending on the circumstances. Some of the commonly invoked grounds include factors like adultery or domestic abuse. Once the settlement is made and all requirements are met, the spouses can file for an uncontested divorce. The entire process usually takes about 30 to 90 days. We're eForms, the largest database of legal documents. We have created an expansive and state-specific template that covers every last detail of the North Dakota Marital Settlement Agreement. To get this official template that can be used to file for divorce in your local circuit court, simply click on the link below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos.